Welcome to our cozy farmhouse kitchen. Let us cook something beautiful today. Today, I'm sharing my rustic scallion pork liver recipe. Today, we are making a rustic scallion pork liver. Notice the delicate pink hue of the meat. I picked up this fresh pasture-raised liver. I am using a tender cut today. You can really see the rich quality of the meat. It has a beautifully soft, almost buttery texture. When visiting your local butcher, look for this pale cut. It is incredibly rich in iron and vitamins. It is incredibly affordable and nutritious. This whole meal costs under $3. Let us slice it into thin, even pieces. Washing removes the iron-heavy taste. Wash it thoroughly under cold water. Rinse until the water runs completely clear. Once completely rinsed, this next step is the secret to a perfect texture. Moisture control is the real secret here. Drain it well. Do not be afraid to press firmly. You can use a clean cheesecloth. Squeeze out all the excess moisture with your hands. Once it is dry, or gently pat it with a paper towel. We can ensure it absorbs all our delicious garden flavors. This helps the marinade cling to every slice. To our dry liver, we add a pinch of salt. Add half a teaspoon of white pepper for a gentle kick. Toss it with 1 tablespoon of organic cornstarch. The meat will feel a bit sticky to the touch. The balls should be completely dry. This creates a beautiful velvety coating. Once the water is bubbling, gently drop the pieces into boiling water. If we skip the squeezing step earlier, this quick blanch seals in the moisture and nutrients. The water will become cloudy as it cleanses. Because the slices are thin, simmer gently for just 60 seconds. They only need about 1 minute in the pot. Check the thickest piece to be sure. Once they change color, you can carefully scoop them out. Now let us crush and mince some fresh ginger from the garden. This gives us that warm, healing aroma without the harsh bite. Add a tiny splash of rice wine to the pot. Add the minced ginger into a small bowl. Pour into tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Skip the salt at this stage. A pinch of raw cane sugar, and savory broth powder. A drop of dark soy sauce for a rich caramel hue. If the sauce feels a bit too thin, we can easily thicken it up. And our cornstarch slurry. Stir until it becomes a rich glossy glaze. Drizzle this golden sauce right over our warm liver. Finish with fresh garden garlic and scallions. Add another dash of white pepper. Warm your cooking oil until it shimmers. Pour hot sizzling oil over fresh scallions. Listen to that beautiful sound. It releases all those amazing essential oils. Our healing savory pork liver is ready to serve. If you love cozy countryside meals, please subscribe.